Hey, Brimberry. What you think, Wuff? Think we got enough puppy snow? Yeah? You gonna play? Yeah, let's go check the garden. Look at garlic growing. Oh boy. I might sink to my knees. There's the garlic. Those 3 humps. 4 humps. Predicting another foot of snow. Come on, Brimberry. Raymond. Come on, pup. Good boy. What? Dorcas. The old homestead. Tried to knock some of the snow off the hedges here. Predicting another foot tonight, tomorrow. I got some of it off of there. Yep. Big old snow banks. Something went through there last evening. I don't know what it was. Can't quite see the tracks that well. Of course, Bremen had to sniff. I think it was a fox. Stayed right on top there pretty good. I am not. Right out through the swamp. Get a game cam right in that area. Another one up on the hill. Haven't been much moving. Pretty cold, snowy. I'm about probably right around 600 feet above sea level. The mountain over there is probably around 2,000. Alrighty, folks. We'll take another picture maybe tomorrow. Or vid.